Oh, the lighting, me a check. And I said me look like one boy picnic.
Hey.
When my hair sit like this.
Let me see.
Me know. Like boy?
No, baby. Why do you think so? You know you're nice.
Yeah, me just look
Am
bad.
I allowed to touch you?
You can't touch me now.
My God, little girl. I told you, you know, you see you? I don't know where you have a rubber on, you know. I'm gonna tell you.
Guys, I'm gonna do a beard.
Smells so good.
Thank you. I'm gonna have to put on a perfume yet.
You don't even know. You ever see somebody, you ever look past somebody and they smell good? At that.
Oh, do you like this?
Yeah.
I don't like when that hot me, you know.
It's good, you type of
Colours
clothes you
don't
have
dry.
on. You fix your eyebrows.
Yeah, them want groom. I probably need to groom them up
No,
by
listen,
now.
there's nothing here to groom.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the family. So you guys probably wondering, what am I there? How when I get a video? For about, how much day now? Probably 1 week now? Or 6 days, somewhere there, so almost 1 week. But this is a little update video for you guys. So we're gonna go and chat and just also me had prep for Vlogmas, because Una asked me if Una get Vlogmas, and guys, Una know me I gotta do Vlogmas. When me can't manage, me I go push and do it. I feel like I want to take off the shirt because I love this t-shirt. Guys, Una know me, Una know I'm obsessed with t-shirts. Me have so many t-shirts. Probably look like me not have on a bra because me have one of them little TMI. Me have one of them little soft bra because the bra them with the bone on me now work out. So probably that's why. But yeah, me I get ready because me might need to go in at the bank as well. Guys, me say me have a piece of bank situation to tell you, but me not say nothing about that yet. But hopefully everything go well, and then you guys probably won't hear. If it go well, you not go hear. But if it not go well, then you know we hear. But me need to go to the bank today. Me never get a chance to go from the situation where did happen because me never did feel well. Me did end up I forgot the hospital. Never get through the hospital, then me got a private doctor. So me did just back and forth. So today me finally I get a chance to go to the bank to go rectify whatever. But in the meantime, me go and get ready. So I just have on a regular jeans and a t-shirt and my ear. I want to see my ear. From my hair, they let out, me not comb it out and wash it from them time there. Just put it in a one bun. I like the lip gloss here, I like that here, I like it. Yeah guys. So for lotion, I don't know I love this. Oh, what I say? Good. So the aloe vera, the Jergens aloe vera, this really nice. You see when me I go on road, me have to lotion my skin good enough. You see me dry. Me dry bad. Me normally use Cetaphil, but me I pinch the Cetaphil guys at night time. Cause at night time cold, so me rather use the Cetaphil when night come. I be pinching me I go on with life hard enough, I phone the things. Pinch the things them and reuse or for reuse and wear over. But yeah, so me go the bank for bag. Me go wear this a long time. I not wear the little Kate Spade there. The reason why I love wear because it's so short. Like you just hook up. Is it? But you can't go on. And scent of the day is I wear this. Guys, look how far it reach. That's quite nice, you know. Smells so good. Alright, that's it. So, update. Wasn't feeling well. I did have to end up got a hospital. I don't know, me did just feel weird. Normally when I feel no little changes with my body, me no really sit down and I just work on it at the same time. So I did feel dizzy and just did feel weird, like one weird type of feeling I never feel before. Somebody got a hospital, end up did have to leave the hospital because the process did too long. I don't know how hospital set. The process long. Nowadays I don't I'm not fuss again about how long them take, because really and truly enough people did have to attend to. Sometimes you look at the nurse, them they look tired and droopy, and I can't understand. So when I went there, them did do my vitals, and Jason did register me, but I did still leave because I did have my cup for go do my urine test, TMI, and we did have to go get one pregnancy test. You know them not gonna take your word and mouth say you're not pregnant or you're pregnant. Them need to prove it. So Jason did have to leave to go see if him could get a pregnancy test. Now the place them to get the pregnancy test did close because I did some late hours o'clock. So I did just sit down with my cup and wait to go urinate to do the pregnancy test. And you know them probably wouldn't want to administer the medicine until them know if you're pregnant or not. No, me didn't know I'm not pregnant, but I can understand why they wouldn't want to take the word of mouth. They have to just be sure because you can see a menstrual and still pregnant. Somebody just pray. I just say, babe, me I go home and I just go pray. Because one thing with me I faith. I just say, babe, me I pray and go to my bed and I just say, God, keep me through, please. Keep me through the night until I go to the doctor the next morning. So when I went to the doctor, I go on one doctor, I could have get everything done one place, like blood work and stuff like that. Now I got medication. Now I'm feeling much better. I almost don't take them off, so I can go back to the doctor. Not much though. They didn't give me much medication, but they make me feel better. So far, it come like probably maybe have one ear infection or something like that, or something. I'm not sure. But me get medication for that. Probably that did cause me to feel the little unbalanced, dizzy feeling. But me still away from my blood work them. So hoping that everything will come back good. So that's that. Why I never did a post. That did I do me. I never take up my camera for like film nothing. Me just no film nothing. So this is a fresh start. Memory card empty and fresh start, and mega prep for Christmas as well for Vlogmas. So the first thing we need to do for prep for Vlogmas is change 2 pillows off of my bed. My ears a pillar of expiry date. I truly believe that because I have one pillar, no matter how much my son, no matter what I do to it, it just have one scent. Now the scent no stink, but me know my type of frowns. So everybody frowns it different, and it just give me a frownsy vibe. Like me can smell ear in it no matter what me do. Like all of the ear product them build up over a period of time. So I want to change my 2 pillar them when I go up on the road. I want to see if I can get those. Guys, I'm so sorry. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are enjoying a little Thanksgiving dinner and stuff like that. And in regards to Thanksgiving, Christmas and that, me need to say something to Uno. But when I'm done, me get to that. But yeah, me need to change my pillow. Also, I have one carpet in the one rug in the living room underneath the table that needs to come out and wash. It cannot pass this Christmas. When I get the carpet there, one time it ever washed and Jason did wash it. Now it did wash clean, but I don't know if it did rinse out properly because it was so thick. And it look a rinse out with the keep. I don't know if it did do it nothing. So I need to carry it go on car wash if we're gonna make it washed. So then there's a little prepping what I have to do before Vlogmas day 1. We still have 1 week and change. We have 1 week and probably couple days for Vlogmas, so we'll have time. I don't want to be doing those in Vlogmas. We just want to get into the whole decorating and stuff like that for Vlogmas. Now, and guys, as I said, soon get into that. Hold on. I don't want to miss nothing, you know, because I stray a lot. So I need to do that. Also, Lou, she gave me some sorrel because I never did feel well. Jason did pick them out, but I not dry it all now. So I have ginger, but I not have no other spice to put in it. Normally, I would have just put pimento seed because I don't want it to spoil. It's not going to spoil still, but I need to get that out of the way. So now that I have the strength, I'm back and I'm ready for Vlogmas. I feel rejuvenated, and even though I never feel well, I'm just happy somebody get the little week that are almost a week for just, you know, for Vlogmas. Hold on there, guys. Thirsty. Alright, now for Vlogmas, I want to say this to you guys. Live within your means. Don't put your heart which part you can't reach it. And that is something I always live by. No matter when nobody do around me, it never yet intimidate me to make me feel like me want to step out of line and do something what me can't manage. Me do what me can do. No, December is right around the corner, and I know enough people always feel pressured when it comes on to December. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving and all of them stuff there, probably Easter, Bun and Cheese Day. What is Bun and Cheese? Easter? What is back? You get what I'm saying? The holiday them. People always feel pressured. And listen to me, guys. Let me tell you this. I want to know me. I am going to be real. I'm going to be honest. Do what you can do. It don't matter the food where you have to eat on the day. They eat what you have and give God thanks and be grateful. You're not going to be able to buy curtain and sheet every Christmas. You're not going to be able to change your Christmas decor for your tree every Christmas. You're not going to be able to do when we talk for me, I am not always able, and what I do is me wash my things them and me repeat them. Just like my clothes, I repeat them because it's mine. So now Vlogmas right around the corner and me go clean up my house. It don't mean that because me go clean up, it means that me go buy everything new. No, because what was in the back room might come in the front room, and what was in the front room might go in the living room, and I saw you have to do it. Spin up your stuff them and make style, guys. Let me tell you something. How you fix up your place, make your place look good. You don't have to have the most expensive stuff them, guys. Just when you're shop, just be smart. Just feel the texture of the things. And if $1,000 feet, you say, alright, oh this feel like it can last me for 1 year or whatever the case is. And the trick what I learn is that when you buy plain stuff, it is better. So I have up my navy blue curtain now. So you know, so next Christmas we'll match with navy blue. Now I have up it with cream, beige, whatever the color that is. You know, so next Christmas you can put white. You can put a piece of gold. Don't feel pressured. Eat what you have, as me say. In regards to hosting this Christmas, I think that's gonna happen. So 10 story in a one, because this is an update video. I don't feel like I'm going to host this Christmas. I cannot manage it. I can't manage the big cooking. I mean, I can do it. I prove over and over. So anything I put my mind to, I can do it, guys. You know, see how I always throw down. When at Christmas time, when I see how I see something, I do everything, I just move around, because when I say I get something done, I get something done. But I can't manage, because the last time when everybody did gone home, me and Jesse wash plate till a week. Mommy did still end up wash plate before she go home. Me and Jesse did still have plate to wash. We rake yard, we clean down cooking, all was splash up. It was just so much. I want to know the kitchen space is little. Now we still not have a big kitchen space, but might be a little bit bigger. But it's still not big, and I just not think I can manage it. However, I love to cook outside. I want to know me, I'm not stushy and them something, you know. Me go light up my coal fire, because I love wood fire. So I could always go to the go cook. And the space that I'm living in now, it allows me to do that, and I love that. So I can just go to the go fry my fish and do whatever. But I just don't feel like I can manage it. If you watch this and you eat at my house Christmas, you know what I'm saying. You might have to give me food now. We still cook my Christmas dinner, but I don't know big pot of food where I say, I can't manage it this time around, to be honest. But you guys, just be grateful for life. Life hard, you know. I'm telling you this, you know, life is very hard, you know. And I'm telling you, when I see people that do what them can do, just no watch no face, do what you can do. Because sometimes we focus on other people's food, and food that get cold. So do what you can do and build up. Sometimes people genuinely can do it. So if you know you can do it and you watch a man who can do it, I do what them I do, and then you put your hat where you can't reach, just to reach up to that the level there. Problem depend on you, you know. So now that Vlogmas is right around the corner, you guys will be seeing how I reuse, twist and turn to use my Anton fashion. Guys, remember to buy up and look up spray paint for DIY the things them. If I did silver last year, you know, like the silver look, you put it in a gold. We have to use with creative juices. We have to. There's so many things on the internet. You can even use shoes box, make vase. You can use them, make jewelry box. There's just so many things, guys. We have to just use what, and as all people that say turn one and make fashion. Somebody will know it, comment it in the comment section. So yeah, that's that. Thank you so much for the kind messages them want to send me when me get quiet. And you know, that's something I want to talk about as well. I appreciate those messages. Can't talk, you know? Can't talk with that suck finger mouth, yeah. I should have never did when I was younger. Younger. But yeah, I really appreciate those messages. Like when I get silent, I don't post on my Instagram, or have my number and see me post on WhatsApp. I really appreciate those messages where people are saying, no man, Angel, you're too quiet now, you're good, because you guys know that I'm always bubbly and me goofy, and when you not see that, you know, always check for me, and me appreciate that. So big up on yourself. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram now. Instagram, TikTok have the same name as my YouTube channel, so Andra Baburam. So that is really it, guys. 10 story in a one. I know that was a mouthful, but I know so I appreciate the update. And when I tell you, I'm not even have one clip on the in my memory card for say I go drop in when I did a you know, record. I don't have none of that. This is just a fresh start. I'm excited for Vlogmas. I hope you guys are excited for Vlogmas. I hope you watch out the videos. I hope you interact with me in the comment section. I hope you put in a little 2 cents, because really and truly when you put your life on the internet, people are going to put them 2 cents. Sometimes it might be what you want to see and it might not be what you want to see. And it's okay, put your 2 cents. Mr. Sona really enjoyed the Timio hauls them as well. Thank you so much guys for the support and that. I got some good stuff from them, some really nice stuff. I have a Christmas collaboration coming up with them. I'm so excited for that, so you guys will see that. I just hope I'm I want to reach Timio haul. Wanna enjoy them. And that did I say? Yeah. I got some really good stuff. Oh no. The Christmas collaboration where I come up, I'm excited for that. Yo, we need some brain food. So I'm excited for that. No. Me did I say no. Hopefully my shipping company work with me, because they might take super long with the packages, like really long, and I not appreciate that. Anyways, I sign up with one new shipping company, so hopefully one faster than one, because if it's two of them slow, I don't know at all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me, road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.